the Jedi aren't like a race, so it's not exactly like the Germans. It's just a religion.
Yes.
Alright, so show us the rope, Seth.
No, start with
the ropes.
your introducing the people, especially the new one.
I didn't introduce anybody in the last one. Alright. Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Beandurd. This is Jeff, Jameson, and Queen.
Guten Tag.
They've all been in my previous videos. Jameson, not so much.
Yeah.
Because he hates
Welcome
me.
party.
Yeah.
I'm an outcast.
Let's get right into it. Oh shit!
Where'd it go? So high energy. This is falling apart already.
Pommes Ketchup.
Yeah.
What's that say?
Ketchup.
It's ketchup Geschmack.
What's
Ketchup.
geschmack?
This
Means
Geschmack.
taste. Yeah.
Ketchup taste?
Yeah.
Taste?
Pommes.
It's French fries.
Oh.
Oh.
It's ketchup French fries.
Yeah.
Oh, it's easy to open.
Ah, it smells like artificial flavors.
Why are they hollow?
Oh. There's that right here.
Yeah, we're here to eat the crap.
Well, it does taste like ketchup.
It tastes like tomato.
Not bad.
Sehr gut.
The shape is like the veggies.
Oh yeah, those veggie
Yeah.
straws.
Yeah, the
that's pretty
veggie
much
straw.
what that
I have a feeling that this is going to be the best crate we've had so far. So,
Read it.
is. I can't do German R's that well, so if there's any German people watching, they'll probably make fun of me.
Well, there'll be a lot.
Russisch Brot, which is Russian bread, which I don't really know what that means.
Go to Germany to get Russian bread?
Yeah. Ohne Backtriebmittel, which I'm not sure what that is. It doesn't have something in it, and it also doesn't have Aroma Zusatz or Farbstoffe.
does it have zero smackoos? Fun fact, Hitler invented Volkswagen and chip bags.
Not the chip bags.
What?
I got the D.
Yeah.
I got a Y.
Smells weird.
Yeah, it's
You got a
probably
6 or a 9.
like a crack.
Cinnamon? Caramel cinnamon?
Das Original.
Tastes better than it smells.
Yeah.
Tastes like sugar.
Knoppers.
Knoppers.
Read German things.
Gefüllte Waffelschnitte.
You're not angry enough.
Let's open this bad boy up.
Yes.
It's a wafer.
Yeah, how do you break a wafer? With your fist?
Like that.
Oh.
It has a lot of layers.
Jeff is the one that breaks Kit Kats.
What? Like everyone else does it?
Is it good, or are you like
I like
remembering
it.
something?
I like the chocolate in it.
Post-traumatic stress.
Goddamn dog! Goddamn dog!
Right,
You throw shit in the videos all the time. Why can't I do it?
don't make me a hypocrite.
Was there another video that you cleaned up your act? Or something?
No.
Sticks?
Cocaine flavored.
Oh!
Oh,
Okie dokie, cookies and cream.
milk flavoring straw.
There's balls in the...
Are you supposed to drink milk?
Yeah,
There's
you're supposed to
balls in
it?
put these in a glass of milk.
Best when sipped within 5 minutes.
That's a short time constraint.
Do we want this right now?
We'll save our milk drinking for
Pink strawberry
Yogurt.
Probably hard
lesbians.
candies.
Yogurt.
strawberry legend. Pink ist eine Lebenseinstellung.
The strawberry chocolate candy. Whoa. Yes.
Oh, there's a lot of them.
It's like a log
Yogurt.
texture.
Unser Verspacken.
Our promise. Wir
God, it
verpflichten
smells really
uns
good.
bis 2020 unsere
Ooh, yeah, it smells like a
Produkte
strawberry
zu
milkshake or something.
100% mit den
As expected.
Tastes like strawberries.
Mm-hmm.
People.
Ferrero.
It's made by Ferrari.
Ooh,
The last
Ferrero.
one.
we have Haribo here. Balulula.
What? Balla-Balla.
Horrible.
Balla-Balla.
For bolas.
Haribo. Haribo. Fucking hell.
Haribo.
Haribo.
Haribo. Or waschen Ebenzo. The hell's that say?
Haribo macht Kinder
Haribo.
froh und Erwachsene
Is that a German
ebenso.
brand?
We'll kill
Because
your
that's-
children.
Haribo makes kids happy and adults
Contented.
Also,
Yeah.
it also makes adults.
Aufwachen! That's a movie.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus Christ.
You got
There's
pink, yellow, and
brown?
green.
Yeah, those are brown
These
ones.
are
I
both
just ate
pink?
it.
Oh yeah, there is
Yep.
brown. I have it.
This kind of tastes like a
I went for
nightmare.
yellow.
Oh, well,
You taste nightmare?
This is like, you know when you get sick and you have terrible, terrible dreams? Like, this is what I imagine.
It tastes like those off-brand Twizzlers.
It doesn't taste
I actually like the
anything.
lemon one.
This kind of makes you want a Balla-Balla.
What does that mean? Balla-Balla.
I don't know.
Damn it.
Verdammt! Erdnussflocken.
Peanut puffs?
Yeah, pretty much. They're kind of like,
They're not real peanuts.
no,
What the fuck are they?
Cheetos covered in peanut butter or something.
kind of, yeah. They have that texture that,
That's really not bad though.
I know,
Yeah.
I like peanuts.
I like
so.
a cheese puff but peanut butter flavored.
Corny baked.
Corny big. Choco banana.
What?
Choco
Oh,
banana.
Chocolate banana.
no.
Yes!
Ja. Sicher.
Scheiße.
I mean,
It's
thick dish.
expecting
smells
it
like
What about
banana.
fish dish?
Fish
Fish
dish.
sticks.
It is, what do you call this in our...
Rice.
Tastes like
Yeah,
Laffy
rice
Taffy.
something.
It's like cereal bars.
Well.
There's a really banana like kick to it.
Mm-hmm.
That'll make you grow bananas.
I want to die. Strawberry, cherry, and apple.
Apple!
I don't want goddamn cherry.
Oh, you didn't speak.
I'll take the cough drop cherry.
Oh, it's taffy.
Yeah. It's... But hard.
It's kind of like a Starburst.
Mm-hmm.
You're supposed to chew on it, Queen.
It's hard.
Just get in there and go for it.
I
Just
just...
start biting into it.
Oh!
Oh, wow.
Shit, hers was really hard!
Yeah, ours were like, they were totally like cool. Like,
We just broke her jaw.
Is that cracky or is that your jaw?
It is really hard.
crunching down.
None of ours was that hard.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay. Moving on.
Off to the dentist.
Yes.
Yes!
Yes.
Here, open it.
How do you pronounce that?
Cacao.
Cacao.
Cacao!
It's like marshmallow.
Oh, it's
Ooh.
floppy.
Did you say floppy or fluffy?
Oh no.
Fluffy?
Huh?
It's just a
At
cake.
least I'm not worried my
That's
jaw
fucking
will
good.
break.
Just
That's
be
really
a-
fucking good.
Just you just take off what you need there.
I'm not really into that kind of...
Thick dish.
Butterkeks. Das Original.
I'm guessing it's something that can palate your cleanse.
She'll enjoy it. It's crackers.
This is like the babies.
It's a baby food.
Baby, yeah.
Leibniz
Yes, I win.
It's a
Butterkeks.
cracker.
That's fine. Yeah.
This one cakes.
You're a regular cracker, right?
It's like a tea cracker or something.
Yeah. The
Okay,
chocolate.
you get Happy Hippo.
Ow.
You didn't even try!
Winterspaß. Cacao.
It's shaped like a hippo.
Is it?
Oh
looks
yeah,
like-
yeah,
it
it
just
is
looks
a
like
real
3 balls.
hippo.
Oh.
But the
It
mouth
is.
is closed.
Tilt it that way. There you go. I'm sure he'll
Wow,
have
beautiful.
great zoom in
Yeah.
footage from here.
Get this all in post. Seth, you take that, and then me and Jeff can try to.
What is?
Maybe not.
What part is
Here, I'll
this?
just give this here. You can have it.
I like that. Is that milk
After I just
chocolate?
remembered it.
I get eyeballs.
I really like the texture of it.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Nice. Nuss
Nuss?
splitter.
Nuss Splitter.
Nuss Edel Bol
Splits your
milk.
nuts.
It has little hazelnut pieces in it.
Ooh.
Hazelnut, of course.
From Walden Buck.
Well done.
Walden books. All right, can we open this?
Yeah, let's do it.
Can you though?
Ritter Sport.
Ritter Sport.
My
Here, you get
favorite.
sports.
No.
Have some sports.
Oh,
Okay, well.
absolute garbage. Just kidding.
Honestly,
Just
it's,
normal chocolate.
it's some of like the better chocolate we've had in snack crate. So
Bueno. Hanuta?
I don't know. Haselnussschnitte. Ohne
Knusper.
künstliche Farbstoffe und Konservierungsstoffe. Farbstoffe is probably dye. It doesn't have any dye, or
DYE. It will kill you though.
oh,
It looks like it's...
Good.
Oh, it is a great one.
What flavor is this bleach?
Yeah.
Hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Your favorite.
Here we go. I'm too strong. That's the problem. I'll just smash it into tiny little pieces.
Fucking chill out, Hulk.
Let's try this. Propia this mod.
No, I don't like it.
I like it.
Let's try this, and then we can have a drink too. Yes! Yeah! It's Crunchips.
I wonder what that means.
Oh, pepper.
It's paprika.
Based on the Lay's paprika chips that we had in the past, these are gonna be my favorite.
So,
No, it's really Let's try these crunch chips. Is that a paprika though?
that's a pepper,
pepper.
but it says paprika.
Right. But what is paprika? What is like
That's
the
It's a
actual-
spice.
That's a red bell pepper.
Right, but
Yeah.
what does paprika come from?
Paprika is a spice made from like dried peppers.
So like a red
Oh,
bell
really?
pepper could-
Yeah.
Maybe.
Huh.
I don't know. Pretty good.
Yeah, these
It's
are my
Lay's,
favorite.
right?
It's
No,
laced.
no,
It's Crunchips.
Yeah.
Lorenz.
All right, everybody, get your straws.
How are we doing this? No, don't. That would be gross. It's like cola with like orange in it.
It says it's orange
It
lemonade.
smells like Sprite. Let me go get cups.
Cups.
Oh, tell me something more about weird old battle boats. You told me about those like big metal ships before.
Did I?
Yeah.
They had a lot of people on them. What does it say?
Is
It's
it
cola?
Me-
With cola.
with?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
It's-
not mint.
orange
Mint
lemonade.
cola.
Okay, child cup that won't break. Issues cup.
Yes.
Child cup that won't break.
We'll see about that.
And I have a Santa cup that says ho ho ho.
Or
How do you say cheers in Germany?
Prost.
Prost.
Gross.
Rose.
Oh,
Prost.
that sounded wonderful. Plastic against ceramic.
Drink your fucking cup.
Prost.
What?
This isn't that great.
It's alright, but the flavor goes away right away.
Yeah, it just tastes like cola to me.
Yeah.
Bad cola, like Diet Coke or something.
Don't be disappointed. It's probably
the
expired.
real problem is that it doesn't have the booze in it. You know, that's well. I mean, what do you expect when you only drink a mixer just by itself?
Oh,
you
is
know?
this a mixer?
Well-
No.
We tried to drink orange juice, the mixer by itself.
Yeah. Meh.
Bueno.
Best.
Kinder.
I love these ones.
Bueno.
Kinder
Good.
Goods.
More packaging. And they can like break apart into
Yeah.
fours.
Into 4. Just open one. I think
They're hazelnut
there's-
filled though.
God damn it!
All right.
It's just texture of candy. I fucking love it.
I really like it.
Those are my favorite. Yeah, a lot of these products are kind of just in America, so.
Here's some Haribo.
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 These
Sour.
are supposed to be sour fries.
Yeah, sour fries. Or what color do you want?
I want the white one.
What's the white
Like
one?
power, right?
I'm sure it's like
Coconut?
You want
Yeah.
orange.
Mystery flavored. Oh my god. I grabbed 3.
pineapple flavor.
Lemon.
Maybe it says the flavors.
I like
not
it.
The first one I had really wasn't good.
Mmm.
They're not sour.
Here we have
Bread.
Mormon snacks.
Yeah. Mormon.
Mamor.
Mamor.
Mamon.
Mormon bread.
From
Soft bread.
Of Mormons.
It's made of Mormons.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, it's not gonna come apart. I'm gonna just
There
do it
you
like
go.
that.
Is that chocolate again?
Yeah, it has chocolate in it.
Mmm.
Mm.
Mm.
Pretty good cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes like Mormons.
It does taste like Mormons.
What?
Arteries, veins, everything.
We're gonna go back to another.
Haribo?
Apfellinge.
It's almost like apple.
Derpy ass looking.
It's kind of like peach rings.
Show them
with
what's
apple-
that.
Yeah,
with apple rings.
Apfellinge Junge.
What's the red one?
Probably red apple.
It's
green
hate.
apple.
It's hate.
It's
Yeah.
rage.
Yeah. It's Lachen. Scheiße.
It didn't
What
really
kind
taste like apple.
What tastes like apple to me? Wow.
Chocolate rice.
What was that? Is that what's wrong with your jaw, dude?
Does your Tin Man jaw need to be fucking oiled?
Holy mother of Scheiße.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
It's
There's
like
so many
chocolate covered
chocolate.
popcorn kernels.
What do you got, Seth?
What, is
Oh
your
god, I was
shaving?
joking.
This is literally just rice cake with chocolate.
Just rice cake.
It really is just rice cake with chocolate.
Yeah.
in it.
It's not especially great.
This is a lot of chocolate.
So better than crackers.
Oh yeah.
It's all over. Just all of this shit.
I did it.
I don't know what these are.
Strawberry?
This says it says take two on it in German. Nimm zwei.
It's got something inside of it.
Oh.
It pops when you bite into it.
No.
That was weird.
It's filled with melancholy. Uh-oh, someone's getting lit.
I'm getting lit. Jesus Christ. Fuck you!
You hit the camera.
The yellow's the best one.
That's Germany all in a nutshell.
Yeah, we just ate Germany.
How can I put my job out?
You need to get punched.
Let's wrap this up so Queen can go to the dentist.
I don't know, that was a really good snack rate.
So good.
What was everybody's favorite?
Oh.
Really, the very first one?
Yeah.
That's what it is every time. He's like, I love it, and he eats the whole bag.
Yeah, and then eats the entire bag throughout the video.
I kind of like the Russian bread.
I like the
Yeah,
cake.
this is pretty hard to pick.
Yeah.
I like the paprika chips.
You know what? The
And
Mormon bread, that was my favorite.
Yeah.
That's your
Mormon bread was
favorite
good.
thing.
I like the Kinder Bueno a lot, though.
But that's because you've had that.
I know.
Well, that'll be the end of this video. Well, actually, we're going to be trying these things.
Yeah.
And you're
That's
gonna eat
That's the end of
the.
that.
And then you can do an outro down there.
Yeah. Okay, let's go do that.
So remember, you guys have to drink this within 5 minutes.
Yeah.
5 minutes?
Yeah, you gotta drink it as fast as you can.
Just don't breathe.
Chug, 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 chug.
Don't worry about breaking your jaw. It's already broken.
Jimmy such a star.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Ich bin bereit.
So it's little thingies in there, and
You
there's
just drink
small
them.
openings in the plastic so that the liquid can get through and get flavored by whatever this crap
And then
is.
you
Wonderful.
Cookies and cream, right?
Oh, it's maracas.
Just shove it in and suck.
Do you taste anything?
Cookies and cream. It's cookies and cream flavor.
Cookies and cream.
Kind of just like clogged up.
Yeah.
Because of it really trains those suck muscles.
It's all just like one solid chunk. It's kind of hard to suck.
Yeah.
So it's pretty good.
Everybody's just sucking away on their milk.
Yeah, so that's the end of the video. We're sucking milk.
You break your jaw again.
See you guys later.
Suckers. We're suckers for German food.
Bye. Awkward ending.